The watch comes with a built-in camera, so enjoy video calls from your watch itself. It's so cool. It supports a 4G SIM card, so you can make and receive phone calls without needing your phone. You get a full-fledged Android OS with a Play Store to download all the apps you need. If you're an Instagram fan, it's going to be super fun to browse your reels right on your wrist. Hi there! This is the newly launched Fire-Boltt Click that comes with a built-in camera on the top, so now you can take pictures and even WhatsApp it directly from the watch itself. Apart from that, it also comes with 4G SIM card support with Android OS. So technically, you don't even need a smartphone anymore. You can watch Instagram Reels, you can book an Uber, you can stream music, you can watch videos and more, all from your wrist. It comes in two variants, 2GB RAM and 4GB RAM variant, and we have both the units with us. Here they are. They're also in different colors. Let's quickly unbox it and see if it's worth letting go of your phone or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. We have two units with us. You can see the image of the watch. There's a camera here, Fire-Boltt Click. Towards the back, you can see this is the dark night color, and this comes with 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. While this one is ash fire gray, and this comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Amazing. So let's quickly open it up. We'll start with the black variant. So here it says, welcome to the Android verse. Right on the top is the Fire-Boltt Click watch. Then you have this box which says accessories. So first is the paperwork. We have the user manual, some coupon codes and the warranty card. Then we have a disc charger. Now this magnetically aligns and attaches behind the watch charging terminals. The grip is pretty strong, so it won't snap off easily. Alright, let's quickly check out the ash gray variant as well, though we know the contents are going to be exactly the same, but still worth checking out. So welcome to the Android verse, and this is the ash gray. And inside the box, you have the same user manual and the coupon codes, and of course the same charger. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. We'll start with the black variant. First, we'll get rid of the screen protector. Wow. Now the first thing that grabs my attention is the camera on the smartwatch. Yes, the smartwatch comes with a camera, and the camera placement is now on the top. The Fire-Boltt Snap had it on the side here. Now finally it's moved on the top, which I think is a really smart idea. Very well built watch. It's a built of polycarbonate and metal, but still looks very nice and premium. On the side here, you can spot there is a SIM tray. All you need to do is just hold it from the bottom here and slide it here. This is where you're going to place your nano SIM. So really nice idea. Then on the other side, you can spot there are two buttons, one at the top, one at the bottom. Really good quality silicone straps. A very good idea is that they've actually paired the loops of different colors. Like for example, if you see this one comes with the orange loop and this one comes with the gray loop. I think that's a very smart touch. Then of course you get the buckle design, Fire-Boltt branding there. Quality of the straps, as I mentioned, is really good. Moving towards the back is fully plastic, and you can spot the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor in the center. And if you move towards this side, this is where you'll spot the speaker here. This is the speaker which is going to assist you when you want to listen to music, play videos, or even for phone calls. So I think that's a really nice and smart placement. Usually speakers are down, so the sound kind of gets muffled, but right now it's on the top here and front firing. So I think that's a really smart idea. We'll see how it sounds. Let's quickly have a look at the gray variant as well. Let's get rid of the screen protector. You can spot the camera on the top, the same two buttons on the side, the SIM tray on the left. You have the gray straps here with the orange loop. Then the back is made of plastic, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, mics here for phone calls, and of course the speaker here as well, which is going to assist you also for phone calls. So make your pick, the gray one or the black one. The watch comes with IP67 rating, so it's resistant from dust and water to some extent. It's safe to wear at the gym, for a run, and even in the rain. However, I won't recommend you wear this watch for a swim. Now, unlike a regular smartwatch where you pair it using your phone, there is no such process here. First step is to pull out the SIM card, place the nano SIM on the tray and insert it. There you go. Now power on the phone, Fire-Boltt logo followed by the Android OS animation. Once booted, the first step is to go to the settings and we'll connect it to the Wi-Fi. You need to know that the watch doesn't support 5 GHz fast Wi-Fi, only 2.4 GHz. Now to enter the password, you can use this keyboard, which personally I prefer over the QWERTY keyboard. You can scroll up and down. It's a lot more convenient. Once done, click connect. There you go, Wi-Fi connected. Second step is to go to the Android Play Store and log in with your Google credentials so you can download apps on the watch. Once the step is completed, you can see we have a full-fledged Play Store on the watch. It might seem laggy at first, but that's because it's running a lot of processes in the background. In just a couple of minutes, it's a lot more smooth. Let's start by installing the apps, Instagram, WhatsApp, and some more. Now meanwhile all these apps download, let me give you a quick look at the display. So we get a 2.13 inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 410 by 502 pixels. Now that's a very high resolution display, which is why even the smallest text is so clearly visible. The other good thing is that the display goes edge to edge. Let me just give you a watch face. Check that out. It goes absolutely to the edge of the frame, not a single black line on the corner, which makes the device look even more immersive because there are no black lines and it looks so clean. Let's change the watch face. There are a couple that come pre-installed. You can see here. This watch face also, you can see the display goes edge to edge. Very nice. You press the top button to lock the display, and of course we have actually set a face unlock, but it's not reading because the camera is blocking my face. So what we're going to do is now, there you go, unlock by face. So cool. Of course you can also set a password which you can use to unlock just like any smartphone. I've just set 40, so you can use that as well. Quick look at the interface. So you swipe from up, you can access the quick toggles, you can adjust the brightness, you have Wi-Fi, you have Bluetooth, so you can connect Bluetooth earphones as well. You can control the data, battery saving mode, flight mode, you can turn on and off the GPS, control the volume, and of course if you press this lower button you can access the menu. Check that out. The first thing you need to know is that you get 60 Hz refresh rate, and because of course this is a 4 GB RAM variant, everything just flows like a breeze. There's absolutely no lag or stutter, just loving it. Then right on the top is the phone calling app. Then you have settings, network and internet, Bluetooth, display settings. You can have more things that you can alter from here. Then of course there's sound settings, audio profile, storage, and yes, this unit comes with 64 GB of built-in storage. Amazing. Then further down, app and notifications, software upgrade, location, one-click SOS, acceleration, Google accounts, power saving, reset options, more settings, battery, schedule, contacts, messages, disaster warnings. My God, this is fully stocked. Once you go back here, you actually have the browser app, then you have the sound app, you can have audio recordings done, then the calendar, contacts, albums where you can actually see the pictures that you have clicked, which we'll come to in just a moment. Then you have files app, you have the music app, so you can play the music from here. Then there's a stopwatch app, the Instagram app that we downloaded, WhatsApp, we'll come to that a little later, heart rate, clock, blood oxygen levels, flashlight, there's a calculator, sports modes, one click, video player, selection, dial market. So from here you can download more watch faces. Oh wow, you even have the latest Apple Watch Series 10 watch face. Let's download this. There you go. Apple Watch Series 10 watch face is now available on the Fire-Boltt watch. So cool. Then there are so many more watch faces that you can download from here. Oh wow, I know a lot of people really like this watch face also. There is a huge collection of watch faces that you can get. Then how many steps you have taken, and camera. Yes, that is the front camera. And here you can see my face. Press this button and it takes a picture. There you go. So I think this is a 2 megapixel camera. Don't expect great quality, but still it's not bad. Let's check it out. Oh wow, that's actually not bad. Oh wow, quite clear. What do you think? And of course you can also do video recording. There you go, video recording is also available on the watch camera. This is so cool. Let's play it. There you go, video recording is also available on the watch camera. This is so cool. Wow. Then of course you have the Play Store from where you can download tons of apps and games, messages app. You can set up face unlock using this app. I've already set it, so I'm not going in further, but it's fairly simple. Then you have another app market, you have Bluetooth. I've downloaded the Uber app, Subway, Amazon, YouTube, and even Google Maps. More about it further in this video. Let's quickly first check out phone calling. Now obviously, since there is a SIM card inside this watch, you can make and receive phone calls directly without the need of a physical smartphone. Just go to the phone dialing app. You can save favorite contacts, recently dialed and contacts, which is going to recently dialed, and we're dialing a random number. First thing, the speaker is so loud. You can easily use it indoors as well as outdoors. After you're done talking, press the red button to end the call. And of course, you can also receive incoming calls directly on the watch. You can see the caller's name, there's a ringtone, there's a vibration alert, you can reject the call or answer the call and talk directly using the smartwatch. It's really convenient. After you're done talking, press the red button to end the call. Talking about the call experience. Well, the speakers get quite loud and they're very clear. Outdoors you might struggle, so I suggest you connect a pair of Bluetooth earphones, which are always convenient. When it comes to the fit and comfort, the watch definitely feels bulkier and heavier compared to a regular smartwatch, but still I'd say that the weight is very well distributed and it doesn't feel that heavy. Personally for me, I didn't experience any discomfort even after wearing it all day. Then we also tested the heart rate, followed by SpO2. We got the readings for both, but as I always say, use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Let's come to the main deal, apps. So the first thing we tested was the Instagram app. Initially, it felt a little laggy while scrolling, but soon smoothened out. You can like the post by double tapping on the screen. Now watch your favorite reels directly on your smartwatch. I must say, the clarity is quite good. Coming to the most used app ever, WhatsApp. So here you can see the chats. Now let's send an image from the gallery, click add and send. Now let's check out the image on the phone. Well, that's quite decent for a watch camera. What do you think? You can type using that big keyboard, which personally I find a lot more convenient than the QWERTY keyboard. You can type and send the message. There you go. So easy. By the way, you can also receive WhatsApp calls on the watch, answer and talk. Now for my favorite part. You can actually use the Fire-Boltt Click and now do even video calls right from your wrist. My God, the call quality is actually quite impressive. Imagine taking a video call like this when outdoors. People around you are going to lose their minds. One of my other favorite features is streaming music directly on the watch like we're using the Amazon Music app. You can hear the music from the watch speaker. It's actually quite clear and loud. Or the other option is you can connect it to a pair of Bluetooth earphones for your convenience. If you like to watch videos, there's nothing like the YouTube app. You can stream videos on the watch and it will play on the top half of the display. You can make it in full screen, but the video will play in landscape mode. In fact, it's a lot better. You can use more screen space and it looks pretty good as well. Fans of navigation, you have Google Map on board, and thanks to built-in GPS, you can select a destination and start a trip, follow a turn-by-turn navigation right from your wrist. Imagine how easy this is going to be. Now quick tips about this Fire-Boltt watch. If you want to adjust the volume, you press and hold the lower button, the volume icon will appear and accordingly you can adjust the volume. Now what about multitasking? Well, you double press the lower button and you can access all the previously opened apps right here. Check out how smooth the user experience is. It's absolutely very smooth. Loving it. So talking about sports modes, first you go into the menu. You'll find the sports icon here. First you have to enter your personal information like your height, weight, age, gender. Weight is 40 kilos. My God, who's 40 kilos in India? I mean, someone has to be really malnutrition to be 40 kilos. And age of course is for 10. So let's go up. I'm not going to put my real age because I don't want you to know. Obviously my height is not 150 centimeters, it is a little taller, not that I'm very tall, but still all those details here, and you click finish. Then of course you can start your running workout, your walk workout, on foot and jump rope, and if you come here it shows you all your sports records. Basically you have only 5 of these workout modes available on this watch. Nothing fancy, but still it's really nice to have it. There you go, your workout has started. And after your workout is complete, you can see the summary of your workout. Alright, coming to the battery. So the Fire-Boltt Click comes with a huge 1000 mAh battery that will last you for about 2 days with typical use. But if you're going to watch a lot of YouTube videos and you're spending a lot of time on Instagram, then at best it will last you for 1 day. But one thing I can assure you that the battery efficiency has drastically improved from its predecessors. Good job by Fire-Boltt. Alright, final thoughts. So the Fire-Boltt Click does a smart thing by putting the camera on the top. It's more convenient for selfies and of course for video calls, and you can even scan QR codes for UPI payments. Also, this is a 4GB RAM variant, which is a blessing. No app crashes and very smooth user experience. However, I won't say the watch will completely replace your smartphone, because phones will surely provide a much better experience. But you can use this as a secondary device when you don't want your phone with you all the time. It's simple and you have all the apps you need without actually worrying about your phone anymore. The Fire-Boltt Click is available in two variants, 5,999 for a 2GB RAM and 6,499 for a 4GB RAM variant. I would highly recommend you pick up the 4GB RAM variant. The user experience will be drastically better. Trust me, that 500 rupees will be worth it. The watch goes on sale today, 20th of September. I'll share the links of both the variants below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.